It's December 14, paper 1-2. The position vectors of point A and B relative to an origin are A and B respectively. The point P is such that OP is mu times OA. The point Q is such that OQ is lambda times OB. The line AQ and BP intersect at the point R. Express AQ in terms of lambda A and B. First, I'm going to highlight the given vectors. So we have vector OA is A, so that means this one is A. We have OB is B, this one is B. From OP is mu times OA, alright, so that means from O to P it's mu times OA, or you can say mu times it's A, because OA is equals to A. And for OQ it says that it's lambda times OB, and OB means it's lambda times B. We need to find AQ, so we can do that from A to O and from O to Q, right? So A to O we had covered negative A, plus O to Q it's lambda times B, that is equals to AQ. Alright, so lambda B minus A is your first answer. After that, express BP in terms of mu A and B. So first I need to find out the vector BA first, alright. So BA will be what? That's very simple. From B to O it's minus B, from O to A it's positive A. We can say that BA is equals to A minus B, alright. And what we are looking for? We are looking for BP. So I can say that it's BA and AP, alright. I'm writing down BA plus AP leads to BP. What is BA? It's A minus B, plus what is the vector AP? Now AP is what? We have this whole vector A and we have this vector mu A. So basically the difference of these two will be the vector AP. So I can say that if it's PA, so A minus mu A and with the negative sign, alright. So AP it will be minus A, it will be minus A plus mu A equals to BP, alright. So A and A cancel, so the leftover part we have it's mu A minus B, that is the vector BP we have. Next part, it is given that 3AR equals to AQ and 8BR equal to 7 times BP. Express OR in terms of lambda A and B. For O to R, I can do that from O to A and A to R, alright. From O to A and then from A to R leads to OR. We have the vector OA and that is equals to A, plus AR is what? AR will be 3 times AQ divided by 3, alright. So it's AQ divided by 3 equals to OR. We have the vector AQ which we had find in the first part, so that will be lambda B minus A divided by 3 equals to OR, alright. If you take LCM here, that will be 3 and it will be 3A plus lambda B minus A equals to OR. I'm continuing here. So 3A minus A leads to 2A plus lambda B divided by 3 equals to OR, and that is your answer. Next part, it says express OR in terms of mu A and B. So for OR I can say that it will be OB plus BR equals to OR. Alright. What is OB? OB is given, that is equals to B, plus what is BR? BR can be find out from this equation. If I make BR the subject, so BR equals to 7 times BP divided by 8, and BP we have find in the previous part, so that will be equals to 7 times mu A minus B, that is BP we had find out divided by 8. So I'm going to use the same here, 7 times mu A minus B divided by 8 equals to OR. If I'm going to take LCM here, so that will be 8B plus 7 times mu A minus 7B divided by 8 equals to OR. And now I can simplify the equation here. So it will be 8B minus B leads to B plus 7 times mu A divided by 8, that is your vector OR. The last part, find the value of mu and of lambda. Alright, so we have the vector OR in terms of mu, and that is equals to 7 mu A plus B divided by 8, and we have the vector OR found in previous part, that is equals to OR equals to 2A plus lambda B divided by 3. Alright, we have the vector OR on both sides, so we can equate these two, OR with OR. So my equation will be 7 times mu A plus B divided by 8 equals to 2A plus lambda B divided by 3. At first I'm going to equate the A with the A, right? On my left side the coefficient of A will be 7 mu divided by 8. On my right side it's 2 divided by 3. So you can solve it. 8 2s are 16 divided by 7 3s are 21. Similarly for lambda, I'm going to equate what? I'm going to equate B with the B. Alright, so it will be 1 upon 8 on my left side and lambda divided by 3 on my right side. So lambda equals to 3 divided by 8. These are the final values for mu and lambda, and that is our final answer.